Hello everybody. Figured I'd make this video real quick. I won't mention any names. John. Anyway, yeah, it's a Dodge. But I think it's got not one but two up on the pink happy hooker. See that? 1, 2. Want to make a quick video and also check out the digital image stabilizer on my camera. Seems to be working okay, but John, you need to get to work on that truck. Catch you later. Alright, let's see how this camera does in the car. Plus I want to show you Wrecking Car 72. Another happy Dodge. See that? See? 2 pipes. 2. Not 1. It's got 2. And it probably sounds good. Unlike the happy hooker. Yep. Catch you later.